This architecture in a popular tourist destination spot in eastern China was built around 650 years ago.
なんだこれ、屋根が落ちてるぞ。なんだこれ、怖い。
The tiles on the roof started crumbling down, making a crashing sound. People who were at the site immediately ran away. It was a close call for some people. It is not the first time the building has had its roof tiles collapse, according to local media. Officials spent over 68 million Japanese yen, approximately 476,000 US dollars, for restoration last year. They are investigating the cause of the collapse